Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm Truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews, skincare, makeup, that sort of thing. I would like for you to like, subscribe, comment, and share because we are at 130, and when we get to 150, we're going to have another giveaway. So make sure you do those things, and that'll get us up there, and we'll get to have another giveaway, which is always so much fun. So, all right, today I have my favorite, which is Truly, and it is the sub box. So usually I get this at the beginning of the month, and instead I got the shave set. I can't remember. It wasn't the donut set. It was something else. I can't remember. So I just have bad memory. You guys know. So, all right. Yeah, let's just get into this. Let's unbox this. So I already took a peek into the bag because you always get a bag with the 120 sub box. So bam, it's the mint bag, which the mint bag is kind of coveted, I think. And yeah, I'm excited to get that. But also, I have put one in a giveaway and I'm using one. So this is my third mint bag. So it's getting really repeaty, which I get. They don't have a whole lot of bags. So that's where it's like, why don't you throw a towel in there? They have all these other items. They have blankets, they have towels, they have so many things. So I'm not understanding why they don't, at least if they see here's my suggestion. If you see that you have a hardcore subscriber, then once every 3 months, throw them one of the bigger items, like one of the towels or the blankets or the robes. I know with what Perfect 365. If you were with them for 3 months, they would give you an extra item. So, Truly, how about if you see that you have somebody that's going to stay subscribed to your sub box every 3 months, throw one of the bigger items? I think that's very fair. And that will keep us from getting crazy repeats of these same bags all the time. Okay, so let's unbox the other stuff. So there should be, I think, 2 minis that came free. So let's see what we got. And yeah, first things first is a mini. And it is the Dolce Delicates, and it smells absolutely amazing. Look at that pretty swirl. So it smells like, sometimes to me it smells like syrup, and then other times it smells like uh, cinnamon cake. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it exactly. It just smells sweet and yummy. But I still like the orange dreamsicle the best. Okay, so next I got a bath bar. Haven't got many bath bars, so I'm happy to get the bath bar. It's the Anti-Cellulite, and it is an exfoliating bar soap for slimmer and tighter appearance. I don't know how a soap is going to make you slimmer, but orange flower, retinol, apricot, plant collagen, and boost. Aloe boost, sorry. Okay, so next, all right, okay, is a little comb, a little Truly comb. So that's cool. Hey, and comb my hair. Probably need to right now. There we go. Truly comb. Yay. Okay. So next, is that another mini? Okay. This is the Kuka concentrate. So I don't know why it's a mini. So I mean, the bottle that it originally comes in is kind of small. So I don't know. I'm a little confused about that. All right. Oops. Okay, so next we have Acai Your Boobies, and it is the boob serum. Firm and tighten the boobies. And I'm at last but not least. And it is the Vegan Collagen Booster Serum. Okay, so I love the Vegan Collagen Booster line. It's one of my favorite lines, but it is because of the polish. I really wasn't a huge fan of the face serum, and I just heard that they are having these serums are on sale at Ulta for $12. Now, I'm 47 and they just did not work on, my wrinkles. So, this is probably great for a preventative, this is probably better. This is probably good for the younger girls. So, but yeah, I did not get a polish. I got a mini. No, I didn't even get a mini polish. Because both of these. No, okay. The Dolce de Leches is a polish. But that's the freebie. So I'm a little bit annoyed that I did not get a polish. Okay. I've got to check this quickly. Acai Your Booby Serum, Kuka Concentrate, Rose Gold Hair Comb, Mini Skincare or Mint Skincare Travel Pouch, Vegan Collagen Facial Serum, Anti-Cellulite Soap Bar, Cake Maker Butter Mini, and Dolce de Leches Polish Mini. Okay, so that's kind of a little bit of a letdown because the minis were free for spending over 120, and I'm wondering if you get this, somebody please tell me, did you get the same thing? Because I want to know, because I ended up spending my points to get this, and it cost me $80.46 rather than the usual 120, 130. Because like, did they, please somebody let me know if you got the same thing that I did, because I feel like that's a little off. Like, that just didn't feel, yeah, that's 8 items, but my 2 of them were free. I'm a little let down with this. Little let down. Number one, let's do something more than the bags. If you're, but I'm scared if I complain about it, they're just going to stop doing the whole dang thing. So maybe I should shut up. But I'm just trying to be honest. Like, do something, like I said, every few months, do a robe or a towel or just something different. I don't know. They even have a bucket hat. Throw us a bucket hat. Just something different. Like, this just feels like very repetitive, and I'm mad that I didn't get a polish. Why didn't I get a polish? You should get a polish with every sub box. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna shut up now. So I'll see you guys in the next. I can never just shut up. So I do have FabFitFun coming. So we're gonna see this time if it's better. And Birchbox is finally back, so that's cool. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget Truly Tarot 76 or Truly Tarot 15 for 15% off on the Truly stuff. Truly has such amazing products. I don't see why that if you're getting the sub box, like, you can't get like a newer item in the sub box like that, or the blanket, there's so many other things other than the bags that they could give us. So, all right, I'm gonna shut up now. I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.